So good morning everyone. We are back with another new topic, and that is the differences between the two processes, transpiration and the guttation. So first is difference between the two is the transpiration. Water is lost in the form of water vapors. Okay, so water is lost in the form of water vapors. Okay. However, in the process of guttation, the water is lost in the form of liquid drops. Okay. The second difference between the two processes is the water that is lost in the process of transpiration is pure water. So pure water is lost, okay, and there's a process of transpiration. However, in the process of guttation, the water lost contains salts and sugars also. So it contains solutes, okay, we can write, and solute, it can be salt or sugars, okay. So this is the second major difference between the two processes. And now the third topic is third difference is the transpiration process occur. So I will write there, the transpiration occur in the presence of light and when the temperature is high. Okay, so I will write it here, temperature. It will, the high temperature favors the process of transpiration. Okay, for the guttation process, it will occur during the cold hours of night and early morning. Okay, so mostly in the night and early morning when the temperature is low, the process of guttation will occur, and as the day proceeds and there will be the presence of high light as well as the temperature started increasing, then the process of transpiration will occur in the plants. So the fourth difference is the water is transpired, okay, in the process of transpiration through cuticles. Okay, it can, through the water, it can be lost in the form of water vapor through cuticles, stomata or through lenticels. Okay, however, the guttation, the water is lost through hydrothodes. Okay, hydrothodes. The fifth difference is the transpiration, it will occur in dry conditions. Okay, because the dry condition, it will favors the water loss through the process of diffusion. Okay, and the guttation, it continues as long as there is an adequate supply of water is maintained and the environment is cold. So it will occur in cold environment and adequate water is required. Okay, as long as the adequate water quantity is there. Okay, now the last process is the last difference between the two processes, the excessive transpiration, it will cause wilting. So the excessive transpiration process, if there is the excessive transpiration, all the pure water will go out of the plant cell and it will result into the wilting of plants. So excessive transpiration causes wilting. In the wilting, the plant eventually it will bend, it will lose its turgor, and eventually if there is a very high water loss, then the plant will die also. So, but the guttation, it will not lead to the wilting. Okay, so no water deficient, no deficient of water, and no wilting. Okay, why? Because we have already read here that the for occurring of the guttation process, that is loss of water in the form of liquid drops, we require the adequate water. So if there is no adequate amount of water, if there is no sufficient water, then this process will not happen. Okay, so this is all about the differences between the transpiration and the guttation. Thank you.